let's see what we have for breakfast today. We got green smoothie, granola. That looks really good. Almond milk, and some fruits and watermelon. Oh, this is coconut milk? Oh, okay, that's pretty good. Alright, so everyone's enjoying it.
És tényleg köszönöm a mély beszélgetést az éppen nem itt lévő hölgynek, de a többieknek is köszönöm szépen, és majd még tartjuk a kapcsolatot is. Várunk mindenkit. Sok szeretettel, legközelebb.
Let's see what's for lunch here. That looks pretty good. It's all raw. And also got some soup. Hello.
Hello.
Én Jason vagyok, és te?
Piroska.
Okay, és oops.
Erre elmehetek?
Jó, és te milyen város te jönt itt?
Szia, Gödöllő.
Jó, és te honnan hallottam ez a nyers program?
A Gittától, mert mi együtt akrojogázzunk, és
Igen?
akkor onnan.
Oké, ez nagyon jó. Jó. És sok forgalom itt. Jó.
Gyertek!
Jó, és milyen zene te csinálsz?
Hegedű.
Hegedű? Mennyi év te csináltad?
Hát már óvodás koromtól.
Egész élet?
Igen.
Oké, akkor te nagyon jól csinált.
Hát én ezt végeztem professzionális szinten, igen.
Milyen zene tiéd nagyon jól csinált? Milyen zene te szeretsz?
Hát én klasszikus zenész vagyok,
Igen?
de nagyon nyitott vagyok más zenék felé is, tehát nagyon szeretem a népzenét, a jazzt is,
Jazz?
könnyű zenébe is próbálgattam a szernémet.
És mi fogsz csinálni a következő nyár?
Hát azt még nem tudom.
No?
Azt még nem tudom.
Oké, örülök, hogy megismertelek.
Én is.
Oké, bye-bye. Servus. Hogy hívják?
Gregory.
Gregory. És magyarul?
Gergő.
Gergő, oké. Most hova mész?
We're going home.
Going home?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to speak English? Okay. How long will it take to get home?
1.5
1 hour? Okay. And how did you enjoy the program?
It's great.
Really good?
In my opinion.
So you might come back next year?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Maybe we'll meet again next year then.
Yeah, I hope so.
Okay. Alright, we got a new gas cap.
Biztos ez valami propeller-szerűen, tehát erre kell csavarni, és akkor lehet leszedni. De most nem akarom menni.
Jó, majd segítséget kérek, ha nem megy.
Ezt meg
Meg
valószínűleg
megtól megcsinálta.
Here we have Hero Square. It's getting busier. There's several people there. There's probably 50, 60 people there right now. I just got back to Budapest. I'm gonna go visit Mate next. He lives in the 20th district in the southern part of the city. Christina's sad because she lost her cat, but she's gonna hire someone and they're gonna try to find it with a special rescue dog that can trace scents. So she's gonna go back there tomorrow to try to find her cat. The cat's been gone for 2.5 days right now, and we searched everywhere, but we couldn't find it. So I'm gonna stay in Budapest now for a day or two, and then continue westward to Győr. So I just need to organize some more things. The weather here is great. I found the Tesla shop in Budapest. This is where you can buy a Tesla. It's kind of near Petőfi híd. So if you want to come here to buy a Tesla, this is where you go. I took the streetcar and the bus, and now I'm over in this area in the south, and I'm gonna meet with Mate. All right, I arrived at his place now. Gotta figure out what his number is. Hey, how are you?
Good, good.
Nice to see you.
I haven't seen you since 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years. Well, you really grew.
Yeah?
You're taller
I?
now. What are you now, 195?
I have no idea, to be honest with you.
Almost.
Okay, have you found anything?
Yeah, I got some food, look.
Oh, that's great.
more stuff in my bag.
Okay.
Hey Mate, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
Good. How many years has it been?
I think it's more than 10 years.
Wow, 2008?
2008.
Wow, that's a long time. So has your dad come back here lately?
I have no idea. Most probably next year, but I don't know.
Maybe next year. Okay,
Yeah,
when was the last time he was here?
It was last year, on March, I believe.
Last year?
Yeah.
2019?
Yeah, on March.
End of
in the spring.
winter.
It was a springtime. yeah,
Springtime, okay, great. Let's make some food at your house.
Yeah.
Great. Alright. I've never been to the south part of the city.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, so what will we make?
We're gonna make Hungarian silves gomboc. It's a traditional Hungarian food, pretty tasty,
Okay.
and hope he likes as well. The way I make it.
Okay, good. We'll see how that goes. And then what kind of drink are we gonna have?
We're gonna drink some coffee now,
Okay.
and we'll see something
Okay,
from the fridge.
with
Some
milk
cold.
or
Yeah, yeah.
what kind of milk?
We have a basically this is not milk. This is like a coconut milk.
Coconut milk?
Yeah, yeah.
Can we
It's more
try this?
healthy. Yeah, of course. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. We use this one because it's more healthy,
Yeah.
and we like this one as well.
No, that's pretty good.
And also better for my wife because she's breathing.
Yeah, that's good. Pretty good. And then
Yeah.
do you have like a blender?
No, unfortunately.
No? So
we
you
use-
can't make any tour mix.
No,
Ah.
we are planning to buy one.
Later
To
on.
make
Okay.
some, yeah. As we need some more for the babies as well.
Yeah, okay,
We
that's
like
a
this
good
one
idea.
anyway, yeah.
All right, so let's try this coconut milk with
Okay.
coffee. 18, 19.
19,
Wow.
go 20.
Wow, so it's exactly 20.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad. Oh, now it's going. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is cappuccino or espresso?
Espresso and no, that's the one, I think.
Oh wow, it's organic too. Oh, that's pretty nice. So Mate just added breadcrumbs to the mix.
Yeah.
He mixed it up like that. So
Yeah,
this is the way you can make it quickly without actually preparing the gumbots.
Yeah.
This only took what, 35 minutes?
Yeah, yeah.
That's not bad.
It's delicious.
Yeah, okay, that's pretty interesting. I'm curious how it will taste.
There you go.
So is it finally finished?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I wonder how it's gonna be. Let's taste it. It tastes good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good.
I like it.
All right, good.
It's nice.
I finished visiting with Mate. Now I'm gonna head across town to meet with Bo Glarka. Tonight she gets off work at 9 p.m. Gotta transfer to my next bus now, the bus 15. Alright, so well, I'm just passing through Budapest. I met these two guys. Where are you guys from?
Pakistan.
Wow, what city?
Kashmir.
Kashmir. You think next year I can come to Kashmir no problem?
Oh, okay. No problem. You're welcome.
Oh, that's good news then. I didn't get to visit Kashmir last time. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed.
Mohammed? Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Jason. And your name?
Khan.
Khan.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, great. So hopefully next year Pakistan opens up to tourism again. We'll see.
Hope.
You think I can find some cherries in Kashmir?
Yes, cherries and apple and peach like that. Too much.
Apricots?
Yes.
Okay, that's a good idea. So I'm excited.
Orange.
Orange? Everything?
Yeah, everything.
Oh, that's great. Kashmir seems okay then. Alright, great. So we'll find your accommodations this way. I checked into this hostel over here. It's called Flow Hostel. They gave me this bed over here. It's the ground one. They have 8 bunks in here. Looks like there are 2 people staying here. So I'm the 3rd guest out of 8. It's a pretty nice hostel. There's a air conditioner. They have a locker down there. And there's also a mini locker up here. So it looks like, yeah, you just put your lock right here. There's lights, electricity, locker, and privacy with the curtain. So it seems to be a nice hostel. It's called Flow Hostel in Budapest. It's about a 20-minute walk from Diák Ferenc tér. We'll stay here tonight. I just wanted to look around first. I wanted to look around before I go.